Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm back with a Matar Paneer recipe which was requested by one of my friend. He wanted me to make a blog of Matar Paneer, so I thought why not. So without wasting time, let's check out for the ingredients.
So guys, let's see the ingredients. So I had taken 250 grams of paneer and I had cut this paneer in a cubical shape. After this, I had taken 250 grams of green peas, 3 cut big onions. I had taken this Matar Paneer masala mix. It will enhance the flavor. Then is 2 cut tomatoes, 4 to 6 garlic, that is also chopped, and I have taken 2 green chilies. So this all we will be needed at the time of preparation. So before that we will shallow fry the paneer. So I had shallow fry this paneer, you can see here. So see, it's done. So without wasting time, let's go to preparation. फटाफट शुरू करते हैं. I have taken this कढ़ाई and I am using a mustard oil. I love cooking food in mustard oil. It's 2 to 3 tablespoons. See, this is mustard oil. Now let's get heat up. जैसे ही ये गर्म हो जाएगा, we will add cumin seeds. बोले दो जीरा. I have taken 1 teaspoon. अच्छे से टेडर होने के बाद आई एम गोना ऐड द ग्रीन चिलीज. सो लेट्स add the green chilies. I have taken very less because these are very spicy. So if you like spicy, you can add as per your taste, guys. Then we will add this garlic. This is also 1 teaspoon. Now let's mix it all and थोड़ा कलर चेंज होने का वेट करते हैं सनी को. Now we will add this onion. So guys, I'm gonna add this onion, but before I'm gonna tell you one more thing. That is, my father likes Matar Paneer with that. You can say this onion has to be perfectly cooked. Some people like it less fried, but my father like it deep fried. You can say it's like burning condition. So I keep it and let's wait for the I think 5 minutes to get ready. So before it get ready, I'm gonna make a masala mix for this. So I have taken 1 katori of the water. Now I will add this turmeric. I have taken 1 and 1.5 teaspoon, you can say. Now it's dhania powder, coriander powder. This is also 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add the salt. You can add as per your taste. This is 1.5 tablespoon. This is not my favorite, but still I had added red chili powder and this was the masala, like kitchen king masala. Now mix this all properly. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे अपना मैजिक because this will enhance it. Yes, here it is. So let's add half packet of Matar Paneer masala mix and now mix this all properly, lumps free. Now mixing this all properly and keep it aside, and without wasting time, let's check out the onions. Yeah, this onion is almost done, but I will fry a little more. As I said, I like more fry. See, it's done now. Now I will add this masala mix which I have prepared in front of you just 3 minutes before. Now mix this all properly. Now I will add tomatoes. को हम अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे। मिक्स करने के बाद अच्छे से it's done now, so now I'm gonna add this green peas, क्योंकि हमें हमारे मसाले को पकाना है, साथ में इस मटर को भी अच्छे से कुक करना है। इस मटर है इसको भी कुक, तो दोनों काम साथ में हो जाएंगे। So see, this all mix is ready, और masala is done now, it's properly cooked. So I'm gonna add this paneer in it, which we had fried earlier, and now we will mix all together. Now it's time to add water for the gravy. So I'm taking 1 glass of water. I had added. Now I will mix this properly. And let's cook it to get boil up. See this? Now it's boil up. Paneer. So I hope आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो. I see you next vlog. Bye. Take care.